Artificial intelligence is transforming how we live and work in 2025. From productivity to creativity, these AI tools are leading the charge. Let's explore the top 5 AI tools of this year. Still the most versatile AI assistant, ChatGPT now includes memory, advanced reasoning, and multimodal capabilities. It's smarter, faster, and even more human-like than ever. Claude 3 is redefining AI ethics, perfect for safe, thoughtful conversations. If trust and safety matter, Claude 3 delivers. Perplexity AI gives you direct, cited answers fast, like a personal research assistant. Sora lets you turn a simple script into a cinematic video with stunning visuals. 11 Labs offers realistic, emotion-filled AI voices in multiple languages. These tools are transforming the way we work and create in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.